Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys apps notification setting, how to disable on iqoo mobile. Friends, you don't want to use apps notification setting, you want to disable apps notification on your iqoo mobile. So friends, how to disable in this video friends, we will talk about one by one, step by step. So first of all guys, open your iqoo phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see network setting, bluetooth setting, display setting, lock screen setting, sound vibration setting, app setting. Friends, click on icon while notification setting, and friends you can see notification history. Friends, you want to check your icon while notification history, so friends you can check your icon while notification history from here. And friends, you want to off your notification history, so you can turn off notification history on your iqoo mobile. Friends, click on app setting, and friends you can see this type interface. Friends, click on most recent app setting and click here all app. So friends, which app notification you don't want to use? Friends, you don't want to show chrome notification on your screen, so you can turn off chrome notification. After all friends, we cannot use chrome notification on iqoo mobile screen. And friends, you want to enable, so right side you can enable also. So which app notification you don't want to use? Direct friends, click here, notification will enable. Direct click here, notification will disable. And friends, you want to find any app, so direct friends you can search. Example guys, I will search your YouTube app. So friends, you can see YouTube app notification is allow. So guys, I will disallow, means I will disable from here. After all friends, I cannot use YouTube notification on my mobile. So like that friends, you can disable and you can turn off apps notification on your iqoo mobile. And friends, you can turn off with shortcut setting. Friends, direct press on app info setting. Friends, click on notification, and friends notification is enabled, so you can disable. And notification is disabled, you want to enable, so you can enable it. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.